Yo guys, it's Ozgun here. So in this video, again, I'm gonna have a free giveaway. If you remember my Rumble patch, it was a patch that works in the FL Studio inside of the patcher, and you could create your own techno reverb kicks, the rumbles, by just couple clicks. And finally, I have the version 2 of this plugin, and today I'm gonna demonstrate how it works, how to make your techno reverb kicks, the rumbles, much more easier than the previous patch. And also you will find the download link in the description, and if you're ready, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, this is the patch. I know I'm not the best user interface designer, but it works like a charm. So again, this is same usage. All you gotta do is just put this to the same channel as your kick drum. So without it, and with it, very simple plugin to use. So let me show how to use it. As you see, there are the rumble knob in here and the dry knob. The dry is gonna be the kick drum, and the rumble is going to be the rumble. You can just level the rumble and the kick from here. And there are 4 modules in this patch. And the first module is the delay reverb. Like, they are not serial, they are parallel, and they are just routing to the distortion module. All you gotta do is first determine, like, do you want how much delay you want or how much reverb you want into your dry signal. If I just lower the dry, we will only hear what the patch does, only hear the rumble. So you just need to decide how much reverb and delay you want. And then we go to the distortion module. In the top, the dry width determines like how much dry signal of the reverb and delay you want. Or maybe you want fully distorted, no dry, just fully distorted signal. Again, it's totally up to you. And in here, you are determining the amount of the distortion. So let's go maximum. Okay, I'm satisfied like this. And after that, we are coming to the EQ section. The filter is just a high cut filter. And the bass EQ is gonna give you a boost on the bass frequencies, not on the sub frequencies. Because as my experience, sometimes when I make the rumble, sub is becoming good, very, very tight, but I couldn't get any bass, any good punch on the rumble that I created. So that's why I wanted to add this EQ. So you can just boost the bass part of it if you like. This is only boosting, like, as I remember, the 100 hertz, something like that. Yeah, it's just a boost like that. So that was just a small touch on the rumble, and we are coming to the sidechain section. You can just adjust the threshold. This is going to determine how hard sidechain you want, and the release is going to, again, determine when the sidechain should end. Again, you can adjust the sidechain curve as according to your kick drum, but for me the best way to do it, just turn off the threshold like that, all the way up. It's gonna make it no sidechain, and then remove the dry, and then just render the rumble and use it as a wave. And you can use your own sidechain curve. That's why it's gonna be much more easier. But when you sound design your rumble, the sidechain section, I think, is crucial to get the groove of it, get the vibe of it. And other than that, we have 2 more knob slider in here. The first one is determining, do you want a narrow mono rumble or more wide? for example, you can make it fully mono. You got the point. The pitch is one of the new features of this plugin. With the pitch knob, you can just pitch shift your rumble to fine tune it and fit perfectly to your track. And yeah guys, it works like that. So let's remove the dry knob and just render the rumble. To do that, you gotta let's do it 2 times. Just consolidate the track and we will got the rumble. Now you don't need the plugin anymore. Deactivate it and now you got your rumble. So maybe we can sidechain it properly like that. We can just get rid of all the information when the kick plays at the same time. And that's it. So alright guys, today I demonstrate you my Rumble patch version 2. I hope you like it. Feel free to give me feedbacks. I'm planning to upgrade this plugin if needed. Just let me know your opinions in the comment section. You can download the plugin for free. Also the link in the description. Today that was it guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.